So yeah, I'm not gonna lie, it feels cool to open this package up and feel part of a radically innovative approach, maybe a bit elitist. The dishwasher tabs are amazing and do a great job of cleaning. They consistently made the cleanest dishes I have ever seen come from our dishwasher. They are the bare tabs and come in a compostable bag. The bare tabs sand against each other with each grab of the bag, producing more and more fragments and dust in the bag and on the tabs and on your hand, and that made me feel a little uncomfortable. I'm okay with having messy ingredients by themselves, like a spilled box of baking soda, but when the fragments and dust of these tabs, whose combined ingredients are intended to be reactive and are packaged with hazardous warnings on the bag, are trolling about my kitchen floor and cabinet, I feel a little unease. I really didn't realize it until handling these for a month, but my comfort level is with tabs wrapped in film. The question that is starting to be framed as I examine these cleverly compartmentalized contents is cleaning so difficult that we need this level of reanimating in order to achieve the desired results? The bathroom cleaner is in many ways similar to the dishwasher product and is sold in uncoated tabs, which reacts with the water to form the cleaning solution. The difference here being the cool way you get to watch it react in the cleaning bottle. I wish it did a better job cleaning though. It did not get better or even comparable results using these cleaners as compared to Method 7th Gen or even a vinegar and water solution. Friction was the most effective part of cleaning with this bathroom cleaner, and that wasn't listed in the ingredients. So overall, I was totally excited, then left wondering if I'd made a huge mistake. The dishwasher tabs cleaned dramatically better than the Method or 7th Gen tabs that I usually use. In the end, I loved the concept, but I learned my comfort zone, and my needs might just be elsewhere. I'll continue to try similar plastic reducing products from other